Hey, in this video, I'll guide you through how to change your date of birth on your Google account. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking. First of all, you can follow this tutorial on your phone or on your computer. I'm just doing it on my computer. So you may have gone and entered in your birthday incorrectly when you were setting up your Google account, and so now you want to go in and set it correctly, or you may just want to go and check it out. I'll go ahead and show you what you need to do. So first of all, just go to the top right of Google. So just come to google.com, go to the top right and make sure you're signed in. If you're not, go ahead and sign in. Then you can go and click on your profile icon like so. After you've done that, you can then go and click on manage your Google account and you'll get taken to the My Google account page. Now go to the top here and you need to go and click on personal info like this. And here we are, your profile info in Google services. Go ahead and start scrolling down until you see birthday, as you can see here. Then you can go and click on it, and as you can see, here we can now go and update our birthday. Here it says that your birthday may be used for account security and personalization across Google services. And so yeah, you can then click here and go and type in your correct birthday or whatever. Once you've finished, make sure you click on save in the bottom right to update your changes. If you found this video useful, then please leave a like.